Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex, actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me, cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's my world, it's your world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we doing what I've been talking about for a while now. You know what I'm saying? We wrapping the charger. You know what I'm saying? I already got started on it. I had to get a little practice in before I show y'all. You know what I'm saying? So, we already got this side wrapped. Now we just gotta finish it. Alright y'all, so it's the next day. The wrap is coming along. Oh yeah, man, that's how it's looking. So far, almost done with it. Almost done.
Later.
So guys, it's another day, and the charger is coming along. The wrap is almost finished. So the last thing I did was wrap the hood. You can see it's like I wrapped it with like a carbon fiber. Yeah, I also added these red stripes. You know what I'm saying? Added these red stripes going down on the hood, come down to the trunk, you know what I'm saying? And it's going all the way down. I still gotta wrap the side skirts. Y'all can see them still silver. So that's the last part. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna try to get this banged out today. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this, the red stripes. I want the red stripes to come down the bumper. I'm down here all the way to the bottom, so I'm gonna throw that on first because that'd probably be the easiest thing to do. And then I'm gonna throw the side skirts part on. I got some more of this carbon fiber vinyl right here, so I'm gonna put the carbon fiber on the side skirt. Alright, y'all, so the charger wrap is finally done, you know what I'm saying? I got the charger right here. The wrap is finally done on it, you know what I'm saying? It took me like 7 days to do it. You know what I'm saying? Come here, I'm gonna show it to y'all real quick. Especially come around to the hood. You know what I'm saying? Come this way so you can see it in the sunlight. It's the carbon fiber on the hood. So I wrapped the hood with the carbon fiber on it. You know what I'm saying? You see how it's hit? And then I put the red stripes on top of it. I did all this shit myself. By the way. And then come back in, bring it back in. I took the red stripes on the grill all the way down to the bottom. You know what I'm saying? So you can spin around it. Now look on this side. Red stripes all the way to the top. You know what I'm saying? Stripes, and then I followed it back down to the bottom. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna show the plate and all that shit, but stripes all the way down to the bottom. Come back over here. Back to this side real quick. Now, as you can see, come in close. Got the drilled and slotted rotors on there with the red brake calipers. You can see it, you know what I'm saying? It's all part of the charger build right here. Did that. Carbon fiber on the side skirt. Carbon fiber on the sky skirt. On the, you know what I'm saying, skirt. Don't mind the inside, it's junky, but then you see we got the charger stamp on the inside door. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, charger stamp on the inside door right there. Yep. Bring it back around to the front side. On the front too, all sides. Then just take a look inside real quick, bro, with the camera. Bloody guts on the inside. You know what I'm saying? I got shit back there right now. It's kind of a little junky, but I just cleaned it. But, you know what I'm saying? Red inside. This custom. I did this. Red. Did that custom. You know what I'm saying? But, back up a little bit. But, yeah, man. This is the charger build right here. You know what I'm saying? It took me like 7 days to do this. I went and got a quote to see how much the wrap was gonna cost. They said like $1,800. So I said, fuck it, at least I'll try to do it myself first. You know what I'm saying? So this is my first wrap I ever did. This is how it came out. Look, you know what I'm saying? So it wasn't that hard, but it is kind of hard. But also too, what I'm still gonna do, I gotta paint the rims again because they look patchy look. You know what I'm saying? You can see where I hit the curb and shit. But I'm gonna paint the wheels again black. Of course, I gotta get the tint. That's next. So the tint gonna be in the next video. Probably the next video. It'll be the tint. Around to the front too. I'm gonna get color changing headlights on the front. I'm gonna get color changing headlights on the front and on the fog lights too. And then I'm gonna get the underglow around it. After that. And I'm gonna throw the rims on there too. So that's gonna be the complete build. But this is the charger wrap. You know what I'm saying? From gray and black, how it was. Y'all seen it before. Now it's satin black with the carbon fiber on the hood and the red stripes on it. Man, so go ahead and give this video a like. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below what kind of car y'all got, because I'm gonna be doing a car Q&A soon. So you know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all got, and make sure you share this video, man. But just like that, bro. We out of here.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel, because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn, actually ain't no cap with me. No cap, your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad and she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk.